If you're looking for kids furniture by Koala Kare, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Koala Kare. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Koala Kare. Number 3. Get your favorite kids furniture now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4. Number 5, also by Koala Kare. And online deals, just click this circle. And online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.